Hi, this is Hernan from Conquer Termites. In this video, we'll show you, the homeowner, how to check for termites in your own home by touching the timbers that are exposed throughout your house. So we are in one of the bathrooms of this house, a highly conducive area due to moisture. So an easy way that you can check for yourself is by running your hand along the trim of the door, along the inside and outside. Also, by giving it soft knocks, you'll be able to see if the timber is solid or not. And you'll be able to see if there's anything suspicious going along. But just make sure you do check the inside, the outside of that timber frame. Now, you can do the same on the bathroom window frame. On the window here, we typically do it with a tapper device. So we go along like that, but you can also use your hand to do that. So another good way to test the timbers in your home is using a flathead screwdriver. And just on the other side, you can do your own tapping. And here straight away we can tell that there's a difference in the sound. And then you could use your hand and run it along the timbers. And straight away, we know that this doesn't sound right. And there's termite damage. Now, one of the devices that we use as a company is a moisture meter. So we have different settings on the moisture meter, and we also check around any wet areas of the house. And that includes showers, laundries, kitchen areas, bathrooms, to see if there's any moisture present. It's a very important tool to have. Also, our highly trained inspectors will also carry a thermal camera, such as this model here. And this helps us really to see if there's any temperature anomalies on the surface of the wall. We can see in that corner of the ceiling, there might be a bit of insulation missing. That's why it's got a higher temperature signature there with the yellow. Very useful device to see if there's any sort of anomalies in the wall that can indicate moisture or a sub-nest, like a bivouac we call it, where there's termite workings in the wall. Very useful to have. Another device we use is the T3i Termitrack. Now this device is a 3-in-1. It has a radar that goes through the wall. It has a moisture meter and a heat sensor. So in this case, we'll select radar, and we can see straight away there is no movement in this piece of timber of this window frame. But as soon as we move it, we'll get a signature. If I move my hand behind this, so this would be what termites look like behind a wall. Very useful device to have to confirm if there is any movement in the wall, and if need be, we would put a borescope camera in the wall to detect termites as well. Thanks for watching. If you are suspicious that you have found something in your house that you're not sure about, or think it's termites or termite damage, don't hesitate to call us. Give us a quick friendly call on 1300 417 007. Thanks for watching.